This brand is available through dealers of the HVAC brands made by Daikin. The units feature variable speed fan motors and the system can be balanced by adjusting the supply and exhaust fans separately. The units use an automatic advanced proportional supply fan shutdown evacuation defrost sequence when the outdoor temp is 23 degrees or less. The V30100 model has a 100 CFM capacity with vertical duct connections, while the V30160 has a 160 CFM capacity with horizontal duct connections. The VE70220 model is for larger homes with a maximum of 220 CFM and horizontal duct connections. The guarantee on the units is only average when compared to other brands. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.